I would say the last 2 years have been the most tragic but brilliant 2 years of my life.
I didn't know what this was. You know, for me, he had the flu.
I thought we would lose him. I didn't think he would survive.
Alex's flu-like symptoms were caused by a common bacteria normally found harmlessly on the surface of the skin. In an extraordinarily rare case, streptococcal strand A, or toxic shock syndrome, had entered Alex's body and was attacking it from within.
We had a decision to take. The surgeon said the left arm was going to kill him if it wasn't removed. So I gave the approval for the left arm. And she hurriedly spoke on and said, and following the arm, we're going to have to take both legs.
When you're on life support and you're in a coma, you have no idea what's going on. You have no concept of what's happening. And no one's going to tell you, well, we think you're dying. And I can recall the pain of like, God, that is really real, you know. My legs are gone.
Lovely. It's been 1.5 years since Alex fell ill.
You know, looking back to how I was then, you know, I wasn't on the right path. So falling ill for me was a saving grace, really. And it's got my head straight and clear, and you know, you make your choices as to what's important. And I couldn't go back to that now, not knowing how I was. I'm very lucky that I've been given a second chance. You know, plenty of people don't get that.
Since falling ill, Alex has been determined to increase his independence. But so far, none of the prosthetic legs have enabled him to walk.
It's become quite clear that the National Health Service have got no way of funding the knee joints that I require, which means we're going to have to raise the money or the profile of the problem on our own.
Over the next few months, Alex's trust begins raising its first money. A team of volunteers join, with a goal to raise the £3 million Alex is estimated to need over the course of his lifetime. Now, 22 months after falling ill, Alex is striving ahead, and the trust is delivering.
Now, as the time's going by, I see something new happen every week. I see him now open up a fridge. I see him now pour himself a drink of squash. He's very, very independent now, and he wants to do it all himself. All of this is attitude of mind and life. If you want your life, you will go out and get it.
Out of everything that we've learned in the last 2 years, I guess foremost is that I think it's just keep going. We never look back.